Have you ever considered how tending to a garden could inspire your personal growth? Imagine for a moment the delicate seedling, in need of care, of patience, and of time to ultimately transform into a thriving plant. This process mirrors our journey of self-improvement, our personal growth. In the same way that a plant requires nurturing, we too must pay attention to our personal development. We must be patient with ourselves, understanding that growth is a process that cannot be rushed. And eventually, just like a gardener who reaps the fruits of their labor, we can enjoy the benefits of our personal growth. Now, imagine doing all of this in a community garden. It's not just about growing plants, but about growing together. In a community garden, you're not alone. You share a common purpose with others, creating a sense of unity and shared accomplishment. Just like a seedling growing into a beautiful plant, you too can blossom through community gardening. Meet John Doe, a regular guy who found extraordinary personal growth through his local community garden. John's journey began as a novice gardener, armed with nothing more than a trowel and a bag of seeds. Yet, through the nurturing environment of the community garden, he quickly developed a wealth of horticultural skills. Pruning, planting, composting. John mastered them all. But it wasn't just about the plants. John found himself in the heart of a thriving community, building relationships that went beyond the garden walls. He discovered a shared passion for growth, both personal and botanical, that forged bonds stronger than the sturdiest oak. John also found a deep personal satisfaction in his gardening journey. Watching a seed he planted grow into a flourishing plant gave John a sense of accomplishment that was more rewarding than he ever imagined. John Doe's story is a testament to the potential of personal growth through community gardening. So, you've heard about the benefits of community gardening. Now, how can you get involved? First, do a quick online search for community gardens in your area. Local parks or neighborhood associations often have information about these initiatives. Reach out to them and express your interest. Next, attend a meeting or event. This will give you a chance to meet the people involved and get a feel for the project. Don't worry if you don't have gardening experience. Community gardens are all about learning and growing together. You can also start small. Plant a few seeds in your backyard or on your balcony. Encourage your neighbors to do the same. Over time, these small efforts can bloom into a larger community initiative. And finally, share your journey. By documenting and sharing your gardening experiences, you can inspire others to join in. Remember, every garden starts with a single seed. Plant yours today and watch as you and your community grow together.